everybody, it's Linnea
and Maddie. Welcome back to episode 6 of What Do You?
To start off today's episode, we'd love to share some information about school. As of right now, school is around the corner.
I feel like this whole summer was like blurred. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Kind of just
Like, quarantine felt so slow.
and then the transition to summer just like wasn't like correct.
Yeah, it didn't really feel like a summer to notice. But more of a summer than I expected it to be.
So the state of Massachusetts did approve of fall sports. As of now, football will not be happening in the fall, but I believe that every other sport will be taking place, such as volleyball, soccer, and cross country, golf, field hockey.
Don't say anything if you left anything out, because if you did leave anything out, then that means your sport is irrelevant. For those of you who don't know, Medfield Day is actually not happening this September. You probably already knew that though, but did you know the holiday stroll is not happening here? And that is months away. Now we take me back 3 years ago, 2017, where there was a big trend, I should say. And this trend, you could say we're 3 years late to it, but we'll still be doing it because
It's entertaining. We are going to be making slime. We have all of our ingredients for our slime in here.
we have glue. We have 2 styrofoam cups.
And this is like, I think it's like borax. We're going to be mixing it with water and putting it in the cups.
Next up is shaving cream.
And we have contact solution.
2 bowls.
And then, so
Finally,
it doesn't get messy in our cars when we go home, 2 plastic bags.
Just letting everybody know, if you have all of these ingredients at home, feel free to make slime with us. Personally, I am not afraid of making slime.
Don't say that. We just realized that we forgot measuring cups, which makes this a little more fun because we don't really know how much of each ingredient we need.
Yeah, we're like chefs now.
She said it. So to start off this DIY, I think the glue. What do you think?
Yeah.
I feel
So
like the glue is the main ingredient.
we actually haven't said this, but we're actually slime experts. We've been making slime for many years at this point, so you can trust us. We know what we're doing. Maybe while you watch this, you also look up a recipe, just in case you get behind.
If yours turns out like ours at the end, don't blame us. And then I'm going to mix some of this borax in my water, or not my water, and mix some of that in my water.
I'm just gonna go right ahead and
And then I feel like we should have brought a spoon too, because then we could have mixed it. You know what I mean? Does that sound too bad? I feel like I need a little bit more.
so I'm just gonna. We didn't use this stuff. By the way, we forgot. Well, we didn't forget. We were considering bringing the food coloring, which is what we normally would use to color slime, but because we are wearing shirts that we don't actually want to get ruined, we're not going to be doing that.
Decided.
How much?
Oh, that's my answer.
Thank you.
Wait, it's kind of actually coming together.
As of right now, my slime is not looking too good. It kind of reminds me of like chewing gum. It's very sticky.
Mine's like coming together. I kind of jinxed it though.
It's slime. I made slime.
I don't think I would call mine slime.
Don't you have to like knead it? And then once you make your slime and you make a mess, can you put a little bit of borax? If you want a less sticky slime, highly recommend using borax. I'd say my slime is a lot less sticky.
It smells good.
Yeah. Also, I heard that this is like a really good thing if like you put it in your car and then you can use this to like pick up crumbs and stuff.
Oh,
Or just roll around.
life hacks.
Now we test it. Yours is like wet.
Yours is good.
Yours is very stiff.
I know it is.
I don't think I think it's my heart. Or no, my brain. I think your brain. Yours back. Okay. Okay, so Linnea, what would you rate this? As a first try, I would say I'm like proud of myself that I actually did this, but at the same time, like it's not like great slime. I do wish we had food coloring, but at the same time, I'm glad we don't. Actually, the experience is probably 9 out of 10.
The fact that we didn't like have a recipe, or we can't like measure things out. We kind
Yeah.
of just like poured it in.
Yeah.
It was. Wait, listen.
I got really
Quiet. This was take 1 of our slime. I thought it was pretty good. I would rate it again with a 9 out of 10. But we're gonna be doing now blindfolded
Yeah.
making slime. But in honor of Corona, we'll be using the mask.
Shall we? First,
Okay.
I'm grabbing my thing.
I have a bucket, my glue,
You have the glue.
I have the glue.
I have this. See, the thing is, I don't know how much is like a lot. Oh, my hand's on it. Okay.
Do you have the shading? Kind of.
How long? Yes, I feel the sugar thing. Oh wow. Oh, I poured a lot in.
Maybe some borax.
Uh-oh.
Did you spill it?
No.
Did you have the borax? I think you used all of it.
I didn't. Oh yes, I did. I feel. Oh, I feel a little hard to eat.
I just spilled a ton of products.
Oh, the hard piece is still there. I'm gonna try to get it out.
Linnea, mine is even forming. Do you feel mine? Put your finger.
You need sharing with it.
No, screw it. Okay.
Something, I feel something wet by my right elbow.
I'm pouring borax in to cause the whole liquid borax.
Really?
What I feel?
Yeah, yeah, it's gonna be lumpy.
3, 2, 1. Mine's like barely forming together. Is yours? You got it. Yours is big too.
Okay, I'm just gonna soup everything up. You have it on your eyebrow!
You can find it.
No,
Please.
yours is like bubbles. Yours, I have something that's.
I mean, I've rated my slime experiences. Like, my slime, what's the word? My slime skills blindfolded, I've rated that too. But this is a fun exercise. I like this activity, it's fun doing it blindfolded.
No! So, moral story, don't put solid borax in slime, it will ruin it. So,
Unless you want a texture. You don't want a texture when you're not putting it in.
What happens to the
Okay, now we're
what happens to the shading cream?
What you do with it?
I didn't do anything with it.
Yes, you know.
Yeah, obviously I did something.
So Linnea stole the shading cream, she's not telling me. Where'd you put it? It actually cleaned it off.
I know, I think it's the glue in that.
Thank you for watching today's episode.
Again, I'm Linnea.
And I'm Maddie, and we'll see you in the next episode of What the Youth.